Today I am preparing Kori Sukka, that is chicken sukka. These are the required ingredients. Heat a pan, add oil, add mustard seeds, let it crackle. Add curry leaves. Add crushed ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger and garlic paste. Fry till light brown. Add onions and fry till light brown. Add clean chicken. You can also use boneless chicken. Fry till color changes. Add chopped tomatoes and salt. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. For masala, add Kashmiri red chilies, onions, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and whole garam masalas, and coriander seeds. I am using coriander powder. Grind it to a fine paste. Add turmeric powder and dry roasted coconut. Grind it for 30 seconds. Check if chicken is cooked. Add the ground masalas. Add salt as per taste. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes. Add coriander leaves and mix it well. Kori Sukka is ready to serve.